Hi, Chad Schaefer here with Home Envy Realty. The possibilities are endless with this 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath pool home on 5 acres in Alachua. Imagine spending your afternoons grilling out or having drinks on your own private pergola. The in-ground pool has been recently resurfaced and the patio area is extended for more rooms to relax and entertain. The possibilities are endless here. Give me a call today and let's set up a private tour.